biggest problem for most of the people. The biggest problem for most of the people is, I should do everything myself. I should do everything myself. I will manage everything myself. Okay? Such a type of mindset is always going to cause bigger problem, friends. Remember this one. If you are going to do everything yourself, then where is your free time? You are not having any free time to think about remaining things. Then automatically you are always getting tired. You are always getting frustration. Your energy levels are going to be down like anything, just like a battery, mobile battery is going to be down. How your mobile situation, the same yourself. Can you please tell one important question I'm going to ask you? Is your time is infinite or time is limited? Limited or unlimited? Your time, available time?
Limited, sir.
Limited. Your energy is limited or unlimited?
It is unlimited, but we need to see how we can make it unlimited. Usually, with all the things,
your energy is limited or unlimited?
Limited, sir.
It is limited, sir. Limited.
Limited only. So you require to recharge every time. Okay, limited only. Suppose you are morning with fresh mind, happily you are going to work. Okay, by evening, slowly, by evening, what will happen is, you are going to get full tired, you are going to get full frustration, okay, burn out, like all those things are going to be happening. If you want, you can cross check, man. Morning, full mobile charge, how the mobile looks like. By evening, slowly, energy levels are going to be down. Then, obviously, this is, so your situation is also same. Your time is limited. Your energy is limited. You should not do everything yourself. You should not manage everything yourself. Please change that mindset. If you are, I want to do everything myself, I won't depend on any other person. I will manage everything, man. I'm the too good person. I'm the ground to the level, level to the ground person. Such a type of terminology is going to create tension, is going to create pressure, is going to create stress, is going to burn out. It is going to cause worriness. So, as much as possible, better to delegate. Okay, delegate. Use the people. Use the systems. Use the people. Delegate. Don't do the things, everything on your own.